The Alpha Trad has a low-profile keylock nose, is strong and light, with an ergonomic shape and wide gate opening, the perfect Trad wire gate. DMM is the only company with the knowledge and machinery to forge this complex keylock nose. This design gives you super slick clipping and unclipping. While other carabiners snag on gear, the smooth nose of the Alpha doesn't. This helps prevent dangerous cross-loading. Complex manipulation of metal has produced a light crab with a high strength rating. The kinked back seats the Alpha more naturally and comfortably in the hand. The I-beam design has enabled us to make the outer edge of the spine wider to increase stability, while grooves maximise handling and grip. This detailed shape reduces fumbling, even when wearing gloves. The subtle bends of the wire gate create an even tension for a consistent opening action. Coupled with its generous 27mm gate opening, clipping is quick and easy. DMM carabiners use a higher tension to prevent accidental opening. Our hot forging know-how has made the rope bearing radius fatter where your ropes run and your gear sits. This spreads loading forces, meaning the carabiners are kinder to your gear and safer to use. The steep top bar and deep basket ensure your rope sits correctly and safely, with minimal chance of cross-loading. Every Alpha Trad is anodized to resist corrosion. They're also available as the perfect Trad quick draw.